tiny reviewer. Today I'll be reviewing king crab and corn chowder, Blount, made with real crab meat. So here are the nutrition facts. Here are the ingredients. It contains fish, which is cod, milk and shellfish, which is crab. You can heat it with stovetop, microwave, and some cautions. So the price is $9.59. So now we have to take this part open. That way we can heat it up. Are we doing a stovetop? Okay, good. There you go. So it's upside down. So there's two. It's a bit watery if you see. Go a little around and around. So it's real meat. So if you kind of see, there is some meat here. Not bad. It looks like I'm not really a fan of chowder for some reason. I didn't really like the other chowder either. But see, you never know before you taste it. Eat it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. If you like it, you like it. If you didn't know, well, if you didn't do it or eat it, for instance, like this case, I mean, you'll never know. Let's try with the bread. Here's how I kind of take off. So there's a big chunk. It's homemade bread. My mother made this. I dip it in like that, or just take a chunk and just throw it in here. But it's a nice breakfast roll. Not bad. I can eat it. But I can say it's way better than the one that we ate, another chowder that I uploaded already. So this chowder is from Costco, and the one I already uploaded is the earlier chowder is from Trader Joe's. So I basically think, since I already ate two chowders in my life already, two types, this crab chowder and the one I don't remember the name from Trader Joe's. It looks like I'm not really a fan of, well, just chowder. I'm not really a fan of chowder that much. I more prefer broccoli cheddar soup or tomato soup. Broccoli cheddar soup is from Costco. I don't think I uploaded a video about that. I just ate it before reviewing it. So maybe someday soon I'll review that broccoli cheddar soup so you guys can see how it tasted, because I absolutely love it. But yeah, I'm not really a fan of corn chowder that much. My father loves it. Like, he's literally eating a bowl. I bet he's gonna go to Costco right now and buy 7,000 more of these. Subscribe and press the like button, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye. A close-up on what it looks like, sorry.